Now it's time to go back to the presentation that we created. So you're going to go back to your Google Drive and find the presentation that you started yesterday. And we are going to learn how to insert images. So if we go over here to map, our map slide, we want to insert a picture of a map of where our state is in the United States. If you see down here, it says explore. Down in the bottom right corner, it's got a little box with a little star. If I click on that, it has a search box. So I want a US map. Oh, I don't know why that popped up. US map. Now, right now, it's on searching the web. I don't want it to search the web. I want it to search in images. So now I'm going to find a state map that I like. If I'm not sure, I can click on it and it'll pull it up, the picture up bigger so that I can tell what it looks like. And then I can click insert. If I just know I want that one, I can click the plus sign just to straight add it in. Now, obviously, it is too big, so we'll need to resize. You get the little, if you're clicked on the picture, you have the little boxes that go around it. You get to the corner, you got the double arrow, and you can drag it in and resize. If I need to turn it, I've got the little dot at the top if I don't want it straight on. You also notice down here at the bottom, it's giving credit for where this picture came from. Because remember, whenever we are online doing something and getting information, it does not belong to us. Somebody else drew this map or somebody else took the picture and it is their property. It is not ours. So it is helping us automatically give credit to that person. Now, I want mine a little bit bigger here. Now what I'm going to do, I want to mark where my state is on the map. So I'm going to go up and it says insert shape. And I'm going to get a shape of a star. Let's see where a star is here. Oh, call outs. There's a star, sorry. Then call outs. And then I am going to find my state and I'm going to draw a little star over top of it. Now, if I don't like that color because it's gray, I can do the fill color and I can make it brighter. I'm going to make it a bright blue. So now I have marked where my state is on the map. So now I'm ready to go to my next slide and find the shape of the state. So I'm going to type in Montana. Now, normally it would be capital, but it's okay if I'm just searching. Montana shape. So here we go, right there. There's that one. I could insert that one. That has no color to it. But if that's the only one that I can find, then I guess I'll go with that one. So I'm going to insert that. I'm going to make it smaller because it's off a page. Okay. Now I have the shape of my state. Now you see we have a text box here. If I didn't want that text box, I could click on it and delete it. Or I could have changed this to a different type of slide. I could do a title only. If I put it on there and then later decided that I wanted to change the type of slide, I could right click and apply layout and I could change it even though it's already created. I don't have to go back and delete it and remake the slide. So I'm going to continue to find my pictures and insert them. So I want a flag of Montana. And that one kind of cool because it's got the shape of the state, but I'm just going to go with the regular old box here. And I'm going to continue throughout my presentation adding in the images that I need. Remember, you can always go back and look what you need to have on each slide. It will say title, name, image, Like this one, you don't need an image, just the title and the facts. So you can always check here to make sure what I am expecting. When you are finished, you are going to share this with me to turn it in for a grade. So you click the blue share button. You have to give it a name. And then you're going to start typing my name. Start typing A for Amanda. And you're going to find me. This is the same way we turned in our work before when we did Google Docs. And you're going to hit send. And then you will have it turned in ready for a grade.